Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate emojis or stickers in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, just open up the CapCut and then you have to add the emoji or stickers. So swipe to the right side and you will see this option stickers. Just simply tap on it. And now here are some emojis and stickers, whatever you want. I have added in CapCut. You can resize it like this in the CapCut itself. And now let's say you want to animate it. What you can do is we can simply tap on this animation in the bottom, and now you can select the animation whatever you like. I'm going for this loop category here, and now I'm going to choose here. You can play with this animation here, like you can go for this fast or slow as well. As you can see, it's slow now, and if you go on this side, this is fast. So you can play this and you can change the animation as well. Again, you can play with this slow and fast here. So that's how you can animate emojis and sticker in CapCut. What else you can do is you can select it and go for this keyframes here, and then again go in the end of the video, again add the keyframe, and this time just move it like this, and now you will see the animation like this. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.